Blue Vertigo.
Hey guys, Marty here, or Carlos depending on where you know me from. Today we're going to be talking about the Space Pirate, which some of you might remember was that Doom mod I was working on at one point or another. Joining the team recently is Scroton, who's been an awesome help in getting everything ready and pushing me to release this. So thanks. Since it's been a while since any official version of the Space Pirate came out, I'm going to talk about the basics of TSP and what you need to know to kick some ass. For a written tutorial on some of the basic features of TSP, also check out our ModDB page. There goes. Before we start, make sure you've updated your ZDOOM or GZDOOM to the latest development build. If you're unsure how to run the Space Pirate or you're getting some weird error, let me know in one of the development threads and I'll be happy to guide you. Or somebody else will, I don't know. Melee combat is a huge part of the Space Pirate, and your starting character, Melody Crosswell, who's also the only character at the moment, has some useful tools in her hand-to-hand stance. Mag Grapple is a move that pulls enemies closer to you. You can access this move by pressing the special or melee key, which can be bound to any key you'd like in the key bindings menu. This is useful for bringing in pesky enemies from afar. Remember, your melee attacks have a chance of stunning an enemy for a brief period of time. Mag Push is a new maneuver that does what you expect. It pushes enemies out of the way with incredible force. You can also deflect projectiles and cause infighting if you're cool enough, which you probably aren't. Mag Push is used by pressing special, then immediately followed by primary fire. Mag Sling is mainly a movement utility and uses an enemy as an anchor point to catapult yourself over to. This is good for reaching otherwise unreachable spots. I recommend pressing the backwards movement key as you're in air to slow your movement down. This move is used by pressing special and then alternate fire. One of the new features of the Space Pirate is melee attacks for all your weapons. By pressing the special or melee key, you can attack enemies in close range without wasting ammo. This is similar to a feature that appeared in Wild Weasel's Agent Diaz The Last Hour of the Purity mod. Every weapon has this function, so use it. Or don't, I don't care. Now, the biggest feature of this update is undoubtedly the upgraded Zeke shotgun. Zeke now allows for 4 different shell types to be loaded into it. These shells are buckshot, which is what you'd expect from a Doom shotgun, electric shock rounds for taking out bigger targets, poison rounds for crowd control, and lastly Hellfire rounds, which you can fire and then burst at any point using the special key. Zeke uses a shared ammo pool with all its shells. The maximum you can carry at any one point is 48, or 96 with a backpack. Clicking Alt Fire will show a confirmation message. Clicking it again will cycle through the available shell types you have. Once you see a type you want to load, simply wait a microsecond and then you'll unload your current type and reload with your selected type. If you have the maximum amount of shells, and if your shotgun currently has ammo in it, selecting an alternate shell type will unload the rounds in your shotgun onto the floor and reload the selected type. These ejected rounds can be picked up again for later use, or sharing with your friends if you care that much. Zeke is a versatile weapon that has many combat applications. See what shell types are better for different situations and use them all for maximum efficiency. The newest update, version 0.1.2c, has 2 new weapons that have been added to Mel's arsenal, the Dahlia crossbow and the toolbox. The crossbow fires penetrating bolts through enemies, which cause pretty decent knockback, while alternate fire loads explosive bolts, which stick onto both enemies and other surfaces, and then explode. These are good for crowd control and agitating skeletons alike. The toolbox is a micro-rocket launcher with a 5-round magazine. Its alternate fire shoots several shrapnel projectiles that deal massive damage, and is particularly effective against single targets. The Space Pirate has a lot to offer, so check it out today. Updates are going to be more frequent from here on out, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys.
The Space Pirate.